Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Have you ever opened Task Manager and wondered why your RAM usage is so high even when you barely have anything running? Here's the truth. Windows is quietly draining your RAM in the background using features you probably never asked for, and in many cases don't even need. These hidden settings are designed for older systems, but on modern PCs they end up wasting memory, slowing things down and making your system feel less responsive than it should. In this video, I'll show you exactly which settings are responsible and more importantly, how to turn them off safely. By the end of this, you could free up gigabytes of RAM and instantly make your PC feel faster. So if your system has been feeling slow lately, hit that like button and let's fix it right now. Let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. If it opens in a simple view, click More Details at the bottom. Then click on the Performance tab at the top and select Memory from the left side. Take a look at how much RAM is being used even when your PC is idle and keep that number in mind so you can compare it later. A big reason for this is a service called SysMain. SysMain was designed for old mechanical hard drives. It tries to predict which apps you'll open and loads them into RAM ahead of time. But if you're using an SSD, this feature actually does more harm than good. It wastes memory, increases background activity and slows down your system. To disable it, press Windows key plus R to open the Run Dialog, type services.msc and hit enter. This will open the services window. Scroll down through the list until you find SysMain, which is listed alphabetically. Right click on it and select Properties. In the window that appears, look for Startup Type, click the drop down menu and select Disabled. Then click the Stop button below to immediately stop the service if it is running. After that, click Apply and then click OK to save your changes. Next, let's tackle another big RAM eater, the Widgets panel in Windows 11. Even if you never use it, Windows keeps multiple background processes running for weather, news and other widgets. This can easily waste 200 to 500 MB of RAM. To turn it off, right-click on an empty space on your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. A settings window will open. Scroll down until you see the widgets option. You will find a toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle to turn it off. As soon as you do this, Windows will stop those widget-related background processes. After making these changes, restart your PC to make sure everything fully takes effect. Once it boots up, open Task Manager again using Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key. Click on the Performance tab, then select Memory and compare your memory usage with what you saw earlier. Most people see a noticeable drop in RAM usage and their system feels much snappier. These two settings are especially useful for laptops and PCs with 8 or 16 GB of RAM. Disabling them gives your actual apps and games more memory to work with. Everything we did today is completely safe. Windows will still work perfectly and you can always re-enable these features later if needed. If this video helped you speed up your PC, please hit the like button and share it with anyone struggling with slow performance. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple but powerful Windows tips every week. Thanks for watching, stay optimized, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.